It's daytime, and I wanted to give you guys a better look at the homemade railroad track anvil that I grinded out. Flap wheeled the whole top to kind of shine it up a little bit. This thing was a little rusty. I painted it so it wouldn't rust again. It's a pretty nice piece. This thing was a pain in the ass to grind out. I made this part flat. See how all this is kind of rounded out from the train. It's a 1929. And just bolt right on side. Got the bolts right there, just took it off to paint it. I also want to show you guys kind of how I made this stand for it. It's like a beam, some sort. I don't know, it's kind of like that, straight. It's like a shape of an I, capital I. Got all that welded up. One right there. Two on the opposite side. Put this plate on there. And got these square tubes. What was it, like 6-inch square tubes? Put this plate on there. Or more like a piece of sheet metal almost. Grinded it. Or welded it and then grinded it so you couldn't see the welds. And drilled some holes in there so I could fill it up with sand. Make it a little heavier, and hopefully less noise. I got these old dolly wheels, thick metal, indestructible dolly wheels. Put them on there so I could roll it around. Right now it's on dirt, but yeah, I tacked these from one side, but they're welded from the other side. $19.29. Also, wanted to show you guys my forge that I have here. Cleaned it all out. Or not all out, but most of the ash. And yeah, I cut a hole in there. Stuck a brake drum in there. It's bolted down. It's bolted kind of hidden, but it's like 4 of them. There's 1, there's 2. Put another one around here. Yeah. And inside there, I try to replicate kind of a design that I saw from a torch tip. to kind of swirl the air, you know. Didn't really, I mean, at first I thought it would make like a fire tornado, but it really best works for just to catch the coals or whatever you're throwing in there. And yeah, I mean, it didn't really block up the airflow too much, and it actually worked pretty well. Yeah, there's that. There's a little fan blower. First, I wanted to show you guys what I try to copy. I have the torch right here, what you can see in there. This is what gave me the idea. And I kind of just makes it swirl, I guess. I don't know. I kind of thought that's what that would look like, but yeah, still worked, I guess, to the better. So yeah, there's the fan blower. Goes down here. Tacked it. It just screws on. And what I did here, I welded this piece to this metal plate here on 4 sides. Welded that to this metal plate, and then I got 4 screws and I cut off the heads, and I drilled 4 holes in here, and I welded them so it was flat on this side. Then I cut a big circle hole for the airflow in this plate, and that attaches to the brake drum, or the screws screw onto the brake drum. And then I made this thing. It's kind of a door. I mean, all these parts I used from this chimney thing. I mean, this thing used to kind of open and close these doors. It was like from right here. But I kind of used it for kind of like a heat handle when this gets really hot and I want to close it or something. So this thing just flips up, and that allows me to run a longer piece through there, so I can do bigger things. Just got a latch, goes right down. And yeah, thanks for watching.